welcome back to my channel. Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are at Paper Perk number 43. So it is Paper Perk Day, and I have some tags for you which we're going to make a really cool project with. So this time I decided it is time for autumn already. We already started with Halloween, so autumn or fall is here already. So I have some butterflies and sunflowers. Well, sunflowers are more summer, but their colors are very yellow and autumn-like. So I decided to join these together. They look pretty cool. This is a little hint for Halloween. And so you have these three tags with the clusters of the flowers and the butterflies. Our extra page are tags, which I'm going to show you what to do with them in a minute. So Ko-fi supporters, you can go ahead to Ko-fi and find your extra page. And I'm going to cut everything and be back. So I have my tags here, and I'm going to show you how to. So what we need to make we're going to make a double hidden pocket tag. So what we need is just a piece of paper, and we're just going to take a pencil and mark, because we want to fold this paper. You can do this with a tea stain paper or some other paper, and then we're going to fold this back and cut the excess. So we're going to do that. We're going to have three different sizes, of course, because we have different size tags. So this is not straight. You can do this, of course, with your trimmer and your ruler. So this is what you have. I just want to ink the sides. This is also all going to be behind the tag, so it won't be visible. Just want that white to be a little bit, and then the back is going to show, but we can actually do this later. Okay, so what we're going to do is bring our tag and align it. You can take a pencil and do this, or you can just cut it around like this. We want the papers to have the shape of the tag. And now you're going to close them into pockets. So one pocket is going to be on this side, and the other pocket is going to be on this side. So we're going to start with having glue on the bottom here, and then on this side and on the top, because we want this and this to be open. So we're going to glue that, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. So glue on the bottom, and then here and on the top. Now actually we can make this a triple. Why? You have one pocket here, and then on the top, and then in the bottom you have a pocket here. But now we're going to attach this, so we can have another pocket on the top or another pocket on the side. So I'm just going to glue this without a pocket, but again, you can decide. Actually, let's bring a bigger glue. We don't need small line of glue here. So now we can attach this. So now everything is hidden. Those pockets are behind. Nobody knows there are pockets here, right? Let's ink a little. And then I'll show you how the tags fit. The tags actually fit all sizes because you can fold them if you want, or you can add them just straight. Don't have any tea stain paper, so don't want everything to be so white. Just adding a little bit with my ink. Okay, so like I said, one pocket here and another pocket here. So how do the tag fit? So this one obviously goes in here. Well, the large ones, everybody, they all fit the large one, but even the other tags fit inside this tag. But the extra ones, for example, the smaller one, we do pockets here, this will be too wide, so you can fold this, have a little notebook inside, and then it fits exactly. So I'm just going to make the other pockets and then show you.